Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Ice Age Adventures app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. You just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps, come to apps list, and there you're looking for Ice Age Adventures app, or just click on search. Then here add Ice Edge Adventurous, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this is click on first stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage is here. Just click on clear cache, then all you have to do. So you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. So then here you search here for Ice Age Adventures. It's going to show for you like this. You will find it if this click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.